What's going on, guys? The Mac Doctor here, second to custom. Like, it was a pleasure having you guys back. Today we're working on the EG Hatch track build. Quick update. I don't know if you guys see the difference through all the videos. Then I have the foot pedal, gas pedal, all the clutch pedal assembly. They will score that unit. Shout out and thank you to CD6 Esco. Make sure you find them on Instagram, Esco Cars. Yeah, man, it feels good. And little by little, we're getting everything done. Alright, boys, quick view. So we got the brake booster installed already with the foot pedals in the back. Obviously, it's a one assembly. It goes through the back, the screws will connect. That's already in place. We just gotta pull out the cap, top, fill it up. Got the closed master cylinder sleeve. Just gotta get the bottle. Brand new, this brand new. Looking good. Like I said, when I purchased the hatch, it was just a completely chill. I have 9 of this. So from going from a full shell to a full case swap right now to a final moment is feeling good right now. Cause like I said, I got the K-series wiring conversion. So once that we got our wiring situated going on, we should be able to see what's good and what we have and what we don't have. So we could start completing this motor and hopefully get it to kick on sometime. I know I'm gonna need a starter soon. The alternator I got brand new a while ago. What you guys seen when I did the K-tune AC power steering delete kit. So it's a matter of just getting the starter, fuel injectors. I'm planning on getting an RBC manifold for the intake with the throttle body. The headers we already got. Until we get the different motor mount set, can't throw them in yet. So it's just like little details, man. We're getting close, boys. Alright, so let's get this started. Here you have it. The whole wiring harness for inside. So I'm trying to throw it in, stretch it as I can. And once I got everything somewhat relocated, I'll show you guys how everything started looking. So let's get it. Alright, boys. It's been about maybe an hour and a half. Sunlight going down. Apologies. Here's how things starting to look like. Relocating my fuse box inside. That's the wires that go for the battery terminals. I gotta stand them. This is gonna go down here. That's the ECU wires itself to plug into the computer. Everything is set up down there as I could. Side is somewhat. I'm still working on that fuse box in that side, which that one connects for the cluster and the ignition and everything else, which we're gonna need for the push start button. But I'm stoked. We're starting to have a wiring harness on the car, which we didn't have it all. We both got the shell. Pretty dope. Like I said, we got the fuse box inside for the engine. Got relocated. So the wires for the battery, got it relocated, pass them through the whole firewall. They're going on the side anyway. Inside up somewhat. I'm gonna keep tying it as best as I can over there, get out of the way, and yeah, we'll see how everything start looking. So let's get it. Alright, boys. One thing that I figured out since my engine bay has been chafe. It's an exposure here. I no longer got the wiper, so I'm gonna try to use that towards my advantage. See if we can work some of the wiring towards the metal engine. And it'll go a little bit cooler and cleaner as well. So let's get it. Alright, so there you have it. Looks like a motor plug, then plugged to the wiring harness itself. I rerouted it over to the wall where the wipers used to go. Those are just light plugs that used to go to the car. I'm saving them in case I ever need a light back, which I'm not running light. Now the conventional harness, if I have to, I could run it through underneath the fenders, trying to make it look as clean as possible. But we get in there. Pretty much how everything goes, you know, on a wire talk, on shave bait. Sorry about the lighting. But this side, guys, see everything looking money. Just simply gonna put the cover back for now, just to show that, you know, we didn't hire that. Doing good. That's already in place like that. Cool. Can't even see no wiring. That's how it's gonna go, boys. It was like that. Makes it a lot cleaner. Everything's already tied up down there like I want it. The fuse box tied up to screws that was factory. Tied up the wiring harness with zip ties the best I could. I still got a little bit more to go underneath there, which is the fuse box for the driver's side, and that should be it. So for now, it's gonna be a wrap. Alright, boys, till next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Peace. Alright, check out the progress, my piece. Finally talk. Most of the wiring is in place, if you guys could see. Everything is tied up all the way over there, in place. The wire where it needs to be for the ECU, the ones that connect to the engine harness. We got all this tied up behind the pedals as best we can. The fuel box, I gotta make a bracket, but sort of where it's gonna go, so it's not gonna be much different. This is the wire for the ignition switch key, which now we're gonna have the push button start. So I got everything set the way I need. Everything's starting to take shapes, you know, so we could start testing and practicing. And I'm checking out where it goes where. So I'm stoked, boys. Pretty much the way to do it. On a chill build from scratch, like I did. The car didn't have anything, no doors, no motor, transmission, needed body work, and of course the wiring harness was gone. So this is the way to go, boys. After you source it from a young car. She's looking good. Pretty happy with the results. I'm stoked. To show you guys the wires over here on the firewall. The one, the plug for the motor over here, they're already sourced out through. When they go to the sensors, they already passed through. So everything's starting to take shape in the firewall like I've always. Can't wait. Can't wait.
I be quiet, but when he leaves, I be talking again.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Qué viajecito, ¿eh? She made it home. She made it home.